Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jason here at Jones Dealerships. I'm actually at home due to the coronavirus. Hope everyone's doing well. Was trying to think of what I can be doing to help our current customers out since I can't put any videos out as far as vehicles that are on the lot and stuff like that, because unfortunately we can't sell here in Pennsylvania due to Governor Wolf's mandates, but do want to put some videos together for you. This video is going to be about the AcuraLink system for the 2019 and 2020 Acura RDXs. Video is just going over how to use and operate the AcuraLink app on your phone. Some of the key advantages that you do have with that. One thing I didn't mention, it is free. The subscription is free for the first 6 months and 1 year, depending on your package level. After that, it does cost some money. I personally am a fan of it, and I do purchase each of the features when my purchase is running out. So just want to throw that out to you guys. Definitely, again, want to say thank you for tuning in, watching the video, and hopefully we'll be back in the showroom here soon and helping you guys out with your vehicle purchases. Thanks again, and we'll cut over to the video. Thanks. Okay everyone, so I wanted to do a quick video here of how to on your AcuraLink subscription with your 2019 and 20 RDXs. So I have my phone here, go into my app, you get the AcuraLink app right there, open this up. Now typically what you'll see when you first open it up is the fact that it will be loading. So just swipe down here, you'll get that symbol right up top there showing that it's loading. Sorry for all the messages here. It's loading up. What you're going to see first at the top, that's how many miles until you would have to go fill up. As you can see, my current RDX is just about completely full. Next below here, you got showing you what the condition of the vehicle is, whether it's locked or unlocked, what doors are locked and unlocked, your tire pressures as well. You see its last updated was just now. Coming down below, miles on the car, oil life percentage map. So you forget where you parked it in the parking lot, you can go to the map. Right there, pulling up exactly where my car is at. Cancel back. And then we'll scroll. If you're in need of service, you can schedule your next service appointment directly with us just by going in there and following your step-by-steps. Right there, assigned dealer, Jones Acura, and just keep on going through to schedule your necessary appointment. If I had anything on my calendar on my phone, it would show up there, and if there was an address associated with that particular event, it would actually allow me to send that address over to the car's navigation system, which is really nice. I'll get in that here in a moment. If I need roadside assistance, right there, all you got to do, roadside assistance, right there's the number at the top. Just hit that and it'll call for roadside assistance for you, or you can hit your AcuraLink button inside the vehicle. Go back here. If you need support, right there, Parental Controls. This is nice if you have a teenager who you're lending your vehicle to go to work or whatever, you can set up a geofence. So geofencing setting, I'm going to do a keep out area, so I can set up a geofence as far as how far I want, or I'm allowing my child to drive in a radius around my house. So you can use the slider and, oops, sorry about that. Use the slider here to shorten up that radius around your home. Back out again. You can also set up speed alerts, so I can select a speed. So if I do lend anybody my car, if they're driving over, say, 65 miles an hour, I'm going to get an alert letting me know that that person was driving 65 miles an hour or higher in my vehicle. Really nice for those instances when you valet park your car or whatever. So I'm saving that real quick. Actually, I'll cancel. There we go. Set it 65. And then activity log. So I don't have any activity log, so as far as if somebody drove outside that geofencing or the speed alerts, they would show up in that area. And then we have the remote commands. You swipe up. So remote commands, I can remote start my vehicle, I can stop the car, I can lock it or unlock it. So let me just hit the unlock. So I'm going to unlock my car, and then it's going to show right up here that it's unlocked. Got to give it a few minutes, not minutes, but a few seconds here, and it will unlock the car. There, command was set, car is unlocked. If I refresh that, it's going to tell me car is unlocked. Now I can lock the car, sending the command over. So yeah, you can actually lock your keys in your car. That can potentially happen if you need to get into the car. You got the remote command right there on your phone. Still updating here. There we go. Car's locked up. Again, you got the remote engine start. And I said about locating your car. Right there it is. I've misinformed you before, because that map button right there is, because I have navigation, I can actually send an address to this car. I'm a Baltimore Orioles fan. I want to go down to an Orioles game. I can say Camden, where you park your Camden Yards right there. So I can send it to my car. Next time I get in, it's gonna alert me inside the car, letting me know that we have a destination sent from my phone, and asking me if I want to use it, and we can just hit yes. So really nice what Acura has done here with the RDX and the AcuraLink system itself. If you get messages from AcuraLink, I had a TLX with AcuraLink before. I named my RDX Black Widow because it's black with the red interior. But if I had any messages such as a warning light or something along those lines, they would show up here. And then my profile information all right there as well. So thanks again for tuning in to this quick video of the AcuraLink system. Definitely appreciate it. If you guys want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. And if you want to check out another video, I got one popping up right over there and right there. And if you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as I said, it's going to be popping up right here. Thanks again.